It was so good. Okay, guys. On second chances, and I'm so grateful for them. Intentions came from. This was so legit. Stop caring as much. Do I still be like, oh, be nice if I could lose some weight? Yeah. I'm ready because I'm still doing it, obviously. And I love it. So it looks like. Oh. I'm overwhelmed, sorry. No. Seafood boils are. These are really good. So satisfying. I would tell people at Sherwin-Williams, what's up? Paint is just paint, bitches. Like, you watch it dry on a freaking wall. Like, this is gonna awaken you. Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich is gonna awaken you. That is so good. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I really good today. Ah.